Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your man Jeff Cowboy, and on today's video, guys, before I say that, thank you guys for your support and the amount of support you guys showing me. I can't thank you enough. Thank you for subscribing. A lot of subscribers are adding up every day. If you haven't subscribed it, do it now. Thank you, guys. Today I have 2008 Honda CRV, and I have airbag lights on, and I took this vehicle to Honda dealership so they can diagnose the problem for me. And I want you to listen to this guy because he did the diagnostic and throw in some number that was super ridiculous. I want you to listen here. Stay tuned.
Hello there, welcome to South Carolina. Honda. My name is Cameron, your technician today, taking care of your CRV here. Just wanted to go over a couple things that I found here. So I went and performed a DTC check and found that there were a couple of SRS DTCs for the front driver's airbag and or the seatbelt tensioner and the SRS unit. So per the system, it says that it's been in an accident. There is some minor body damage here on the vehicle, like this is popping out and cracked. Also back here, let's see, where was it? I did notice that this area here is all dinged up as well, whatnot, indicating that it's been in an accident. So I don't know if it was just hard enough to set those codes and or deploy the tensioners, and or the airbag. So I am recommending, per Honda's specifications, to recommend to replace this airbag, the buckle, the belt, and the SRS unit, which controls the whole system. Other than that, multi-point wise, wiper blades check out alright. Recommending tune-up service stuff like the water pump package, emission service, spark plugs, because of mileage, and those things don't look like they've been done. Brake fluid's pretty dirty. It looks like there's a bit of moisture in there. Recommending that to be flushed out. Same with the power steering fluid. It's a bit dirty. Also recommending your micron filter. This is your cabin air filter here. So as you can see, it is pretty full of gunk. So, and your engine air filter actually was really clean. So someone must have replaced that recently. Other than that, also, back here, your rear brakes are a bit low. They're measuring about a 2 millimeters, so they are at the recommended spec. So I am recommending those, and for the rotors to be resurfaced because they are deeply grooved. Other than that, tires checked out good. Everything underneath the vehicle turned out fine. Yeah, hope you take those things in consideration. Thank you very much.
So here, here is what they are saying. Your work order estimate below is identified. Estimate urgent work is SRS units 2,282 and 55 cents. The buckle is 600. Tensioner 1,220. Airbag driver side 1,832. And then here is the recommended things to do. 298 on spark plug, 349 on rear brakes, and all this good stuff added together. All the total 9,266.67. That is the amount that I need to get this vehicle back on the road, according to this quote. It is ridiculous. The good thing, they told me they gave me all the information of the things that I need to work on. So it was worth it to do the diagnostic. It was only $121, including the taxes. So let me get to work. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe.